the last electric sedan ever built here. Rolled off the line May 9th, 2026. 14 years, 610,000 vehicles, a legacy that changed transportation forever. The factory where it was born is now building something never seen before. This is the greatest transformation in automotive history. This sedan launched in 2012 and rewrote every rule about what a car could be. 610,000 vehicles built, each one the finest electric engineering on Earth. The workers celebrated the final car, honoring 14 years of extraordinary work. In just 46 days, the same floor became the world's most advanced robot factory. 40 dedicated assembly stations, purpose-built. Nothing like this exists anywhere. 22 degrees of freedom hands, 50 actuators. Learns every task by watching once. The first completed robots passed every quality test. The production line was ready. The leader walked the new line, stood before the first robot, and smiled. The vision: one robot for every human on Earth, making every life better. These robots will work in hospitals, homes, and places too dangerous for humans. Analysts forecast 10 million humanoid robots shipped globally by 2035. Every robot connects to one AI network, learning, improving, getting smarter daily. The most extraordinary mission: sending robots to Mars before any human. On Mars, the robots build the habitats so humans can follow safely. A second factory is under construction, targeting 10 million robots per year. By 2030, these robots will be available for families, working inside our homes. The sedan proved electric vehicles could change the world. The robot will prove something greater. A car company became an energy company, an AI company, now a robotics company. Subscribe now. The next chapter is just beginning. Do not miss what comes next. The torch has been passed. What comes next? Tell me in the comments right now.